Level up your gaming experience by learning how to use your Nvidia GPU with a Freesync Monitor to eliminate screen tearing and unlock buttery smooth gameplay. First things first, make sure you have the right ingredients: an Nvidia graphics card, a Freesync Monitor, and a DisplayPort cable. DisplayPort. It's the only connection guaranteed to work with both technologies seamlessly. Next, physically connect your monitor to your graphics card using the DisplayPort cable. If you haven't already, power on your computer and monitor. Time to dive into software settings. Right-click on your desktop to access the Nvidia control panel. If you don't have it, download and install the latest drivers from the Nvidia website first. Inside the Nvidia control panel, locate the Setup GSYNC or Manage GSYNC option on the left. This is where the magic happens. Enable GSYNC. Select Enable GSYNC. GSYNC compatible for your monitor. Pay attention to whether you want GSYNC to work in full screen or windowed mode, or both. Navigate to the display section, then change resolution. Ensure your monitor is set to its native resolution and that the refresh rate is the highest your monitor supports. This is key for optimal performance. Finally, within your games, it is advisable to enable VSync and limit your frame rate slightly below your monitor's maximum refresh rate. This keeps everything running smoothly, and there you have it. You're now set up for tear-free gaming.